Hi everyone, welcome back to Tripod Travel. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Thank you for liking and subscribing. In this video, I'm going to walk around the Trastevere region in Rome. It is probably one of the most liveliest regions when it comes to nightlife. This region is a touristy neighborhood. You can find a number of places with a good party atmosphere and also some of the best food in Rome. Located just across the Tiber River from the city center, it is a charming district in Rome. Out of all the places that I have visited, Trastevere is one of the most popular regions with tourists. It features lots and lots of restaurants, bars and nightclubs.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax.
I really enjoy the vibe in this region and would definitely recommend you to visit Trastevere region in Rome if you like bars and nightclubs. Along with the Trastevere region in Rome, we visited one other nightclub. It was called Charavari Playhouse in Rome. This venue is one of the most popular nightclubs in the city. We visited Charavari on a Friday night. Sharavari is more dressed to impress kind of club. So if you want to get in, make sure you are dressed well and add yourself to the guest list. The music is house commercial. So when in Rome, eat, dance and party all night long, as the nightlife in Rome is good fun. Once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.